Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to download Linux operating system. But wait, is Linux really an operating system? Well, it is not. It is just a kernel of the operating system, which is just like we humans have heart in our body. So it is important, it is critical for the existence, yet it is not the full body. Likewise, kernel is just a small part, yet very crucial part, but it is not a operating system by itself. So here in this tutorial we will learn how to download some of the best Linux based operating systems which are free and you can download them instantly. So the first is Ubuntu, which is the most friendliest Linux operating system variant ever. So all you have to do is just go to Ubuntu and you'll be shown this page wherein we will be having different details about Ubuntu, and all you have to do is just click on download, and you have to download this 18.04 LTS, which is a long-term support. Just in case you are running a server or you want a machine which won't ask for upgrade for 3 to 4 years, then LTS operating systems are best because they will be supported for longer period of time, so you don't have to switch to any upgraded version of Ubuntu or the operating system. So yeah, that helps and saves you a lot of time. While we have 18.10, which basically means that every 6 months you will be getting a new update about the upgrade of Ubuntu. So it's your choice, you can choose either of them. And then we have Ubuntu server as well. It doesn't have any UI, so all it has is a terminal access, which basically lets you do all the operations and all the work which you want to do without the UI which we are seeing right now, the graphical user interface. It won't be there. So for the average user, Ubuntu desktop will do, and 18.04 LTS or 18.10, this is the latest one, which basically means October. This means April. So there are two release cycles, one is in April and second one is in October. So you can just click on it and it will show you this page. Thank you for downloading Ubuntu desktop, and the download will start. So it is a 1.8 gigs ISO file, which you can just either burn to your pen drive or you can burn it to the CD, and you can just install it, or you can even install it within your computer using VirtualBox. So you will be having one operating system or multiple operating system inside your main operating system, which has its own advantages. So it's up to you how you want to use your new operating system. So for trying out, you can use these new operating systems on your VirtualBox, but once you are like sure about this operating system, then you can permanently move to that by installing the new operating system in your machine, either through the DVD or through pen drive. Yeah, the choice is yours. So Ubuntu is one of the most easiest Linux variant ever. It is free, so you don't have to pay a dime for this, and it is a very stable operating system which gets its inspiration from MacBook Pro. So you are in good hands when you're using this. So another Linux based operating systems is OpenSuse. That is also very powerful operating system, and the URL is opensuse.org, and you can download this. So UI is different, the way it functions is different, and as a Linux evangelist, you should explore what these new or different Linux variants have new things to offer. So you should match your skills, your goals from the operating system, and then you decide which one to choose. So OpenSuse is a really good operating system for sysadmins, developers, and desktop users. So like they say, they are positioning themselves as an operating system which is great for sysadmins, developers. So that is one type of audience, while we have the general audience, which is the desktop users. So the choice is yours. And we have another one. Now if you want to download this OpenSuse, then you have to click on get software, which is in the bottom. So click there. You will be shown this page which has several details like which of the versions you want to download of OpenSuse. So the latest one is OpenSuse Tumbleweed. Now just click on OK and click on download. Now we are shown different options for downloading this version of OpenSuse. So either we can download the DVD image, which has thousands of software packages which comes pre-installed in your operating system, or you can use the network image, which basically download the basic image and then the rest of the operating system will be downloaded through the internet. And then we have cubic version, which is container as a service platform based on the Kubernetes. So that is for advanced users. What we can do is we can download the DVD image or the network image. This is the easiest one. Then we have this DVD image. So just in case you don't want to download everything, you can use this option. So you will be downloading either of this and get your operating system installed. So you just have to burn it to any of the USB sticks, and once it is there, then you can just boot from your USB stick and the installation will begin. Another operating system is Fedora. Now Fedora is one of the most powerful Linux variants ever, and you just click on the first link, which is getfedora.org, and you'll be shown this page. So it can be used for workstation, server, and Kubernetes. And if you want to download the workstation, then just click on Get Fedora Workstation in the bottom. To install Fedora, you have to download this media writer file, which basically is a 23 megabytes file, and if you run this, then it will start downloading the necessary files for the operating system, and furthermore, once done, it will start installing the operating system on your machine. So it basically saves bandwidth upfront, like it is easier to download this file, and after that you can just start installing the operating system, which will show different on-screen prompts or instructions to complete the installation. And this is available for Mac OS X, Windows, Linux, so basically all the major operating systems. Now the fourth operating system is Debian, and the URL is debian.org. So it is one of the most powerful Linux based operating systems ever built. Ubuntu is based on Debian. So as it states, Debian is a free operating system for your computer, and operating system is the set of basic programs and utilities that make your computer run. Debian provides more than a pure OS. It comes with over 51,000 packages pre-compiled software bundled up in a nice format for easy installation on your machine. So basically you are getting a lot of functionalities when you use Debian, and that makes it super powerful. A large portion of web servers are using Debian as the de facto operating system. So Debian is just brilliant for your personal use as well as for your work use. So how to download this Debian? Well, as we can see on the top right corner, we have this download Debian 9.6 PC network installer. So this is a small file which you will download, and you will burn it to the pen drive, and once done you will just run it, and it will start downloading the necessary files for the operating system, and then you could further install it. So there will be on-screen instructions which you will follow, and you will install the Debian operating system. So yeah, it's pretty easy. It's a 291 MB file which you can download and install, because in case you want to download the full DVD file, it will be of, let's say, 4 to 6 gigs. So it's really crazy download. The simplest would be to download the PC network installer, which is a small file and which has the on-screen instructions, and it will just install the operating system flawlessly. So that is for making your life easier. a very efficient operating system which you can start using, and it will be beneficial when you are running a web server as well. So your experience in Debian will just expand the possibilities which you can leverage eventually. So we discussed 4 major operating systems. First one was Ubuntu, second one was OpenSuse, third one was Fedora, and fourth one is Debian. So we have discussed some of the major operating systems which are there available for free and are Linux based, and they are absolutely open source. Thanks a lot for watching our tutorial. In case you liked it, please leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.